Hello, my friend. Today we sing another one from the 70's, Three Little Birds by Bob Marley.
So don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." So don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you."
Now please sing along. Copy the lyrics, understand the lyrics. Comment here. What was he trying to say when he wrote this song? Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell?